Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 5 overheating. Now, the best thing to do is to remove the side panels and clean out any of the dust or the debris that has been adding up. I have plenty of those videos on my channel right now. And if you want to go ahead and just try to fix the loud PlayStation 5 with the settings, there are some things we can do under here. So let's go to settings and scroll on down to system. Now, the first thing we should ensure is that we have the latest system software update. So let's go on over here and then just go to update using internet right here. And it looks like I have the latest software. Then we can go back and then we want to go to where it says the power saving settings. Go to the right and set time until PS5 enters rest mode. We could just go to do not put into rest mode right here and see if that helps out or not. And then go back. And then under here, we want to go to features available in rest mode. And sometimes when you have the power supplied for the USB ports, this will actually make your PlayStation 5 louder when it's in rest mode. So that is why I always put it to off. So you may have noticed that you might be charging your controller, or maybe you have like an update or something, and you turn off your PlayStation 5 and you put it into rest mode. Well, if you have this option turned on or something, it's going to be a lot louder than it normally is. So I just usually set this to off. Now, another thing that we could try is turning on the performance mode. So let's back out and go to where it says save data and game app settings. Scroll on down and go to where it says game presets. Go to the right and set this to performance mode. And this will ensure that your PlayStation 5 prioritizes performance over image quality, which could be straining the console's demand and resources for the graphics card. So let's go on back now. And then there is one last setting we can try, that is restoring the licenses on our PlayStation 5 account, just to ensure we have all the proper licenses right here. So just select all your games and then go to restore. Now, make sure your PlayStation 5 is properly ventilated. It's not in any closed containers or anything like that. Under your TV, it's out in the open and it's getting fresh air. And then open it up, remove the side panels, and spray out or vacuum any of the dust that's sitting around the fan. You can remove the fan and lift it out. The PlayStation 5 is not very difficult. I believe this will void your warranty. However, your PlayStation 5 might be accumulating a lot of dust, so I do recommend cleaning it out, at least removing the covers, and then vacuum out any of the dust that you can see. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.